Previously on Love Rival. Previously on Revival again.
Hey, good looking. So, do you have a girlfriend?
What? Wait. You want to date me?
Yeah, you're totally like the hottest guy in the school. And my daddy, if you say no, my daddy will make sure he will cut off your head.
You're crazy. I'm getting out of here. And your daddy is only just a creator of toast. How's that important?
Because my daddy is the friends with the president. So do you accept or not? Girl.
Okay, I will not! I don't know what to say, but I'm getting out here.
Essentially, later.
La da dee, la la la, la la da, la la dee, la li da, la li dee, la li da da. 真有我说，la da dee,
Eventually.
la da dee, la da da.
Huh? What's that sound?
Can you hear me?
Who's that?
I am California, about who he used to be.
That sound.
I'm gonna find out what that sound is.